Welcome to my 10-part series that covers the new features of Revit 2015 Release 2. I'm counting down from 10. This is video number 3. See a chiropractor. Get your structure aligned and oriented. One of the new features for Revit 2015 was the ability to change the alignment reference of a beam or brace end geometry in a join. Now, in Release 2, you can update the alignment reference for multiple framing elements at once. However, in order to do this, the following conditions must be met. The detail level of the view cannot be set to coarse. All multiple selected elements must be joined to a common element. The element must be joined to another element. The element must be linear and straight. The element must not be concrete. To change the alignment reference, select all the framing elements you want to modify. Then, on the Modify Structural Framing contextual ribbon, click Change Reference. After that, you can select the new reference to which the framing element's end geometry will align. This reference can fall along the geometry of a beam, column, or wall. The other side of this update deals with resetting the alignment reference. For the first 2015 release, there was a Reset Reference tool on the Modify End panel of the contextual ribbon. But for Release 2, you can simply use the Change Reference tool again to modify the end alignment. And once again, you can do this for multiple framing elements. Just keep the previously mentioned conditions in mind. Lastly, you can now flip the structural framing orientation. Remember that when you create a framing element, such as a beam, the first click sets the start point, and the second click sets the end point. Then multiple instance parameters reference the start and end points. For example, there is a start level offset and end level offset, a start join cutback, and end join cutback, and so on. To flip the orientation, select a framing element, right-click, and choose Flip Structural Framing Ends. When you do, the start point is changed to the end point, and vice versa. Also, when you flip the orientation, the structural framing element will maintain joins, as well as setback, geometry, and justification modifications. The real power of this update can be seen with non-symmetrical elements, such as beams that are cut at one end.